Allô, 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 mes amis, boko tato seka. O lisolo ya samedi na dimanche. Lisolo to seki sama moke, bozala na mwa distraction bana poto, po bozaka na distraction te bolanda anglais. Eloko ya liboso na kosenga na bino bokota na chaîne ya Mama Henriette Kilumbu Shembo TV. Ezi please bomi abonne bokota kota. Bobana na bino kaka koseka, bokuta pe masolo ya kolamba. Avant tunakopesa nanu mboti na batu nyonso. Good morning, my sisters and the brother. Bolanda anglais ou anglais okoseka. Anglais kitoko. Botala maquillage. Very nice. Good morning, my sisters and the brother. How are you doing today? I'm good today, my sister. You are not going to the churches? Today I'm not going to the churches. I'm sleeping late. Why you sleeping late, Tate? Because I sleeping late, I watching thing, the TV and the movie sing. Which movie you looking at? Are you looking at the movie? Which one? Are you looking at the movie The Falansa? What did you do today? Today I'm going to shopping to go to buy some shopping to buy some ricing, to buy some fishing, to buy some meeting, to buy some bananas, orange do, to buy some drinking in there. You know why I say drinking in there? Because it's in the plural in French, the plural big family. So I go to cooking today, the rice singing, the meeting, because today is Sunday. So no, you are. I'm not cooking too much. I don't like to cooking too much. My sister, the brother, because today is Sunday it's Sunday and I can't to buy some food. I can't to cooking too much. Today is Sunday and Saturday. I do barbecue. You know the barbecue you do. Barbecue you do. I want to put the makala in the babula and I pelisa the moto the fire. Say when I pelisa the moto is pelangi, is wakata. Et puis, I take the meat is calling, which one is the steaking, and the steaking, and I put the sausage there, I put the quad fishing inside and the moto, because it's barbecue, I put the fishing and then I put the quad the Thompson, I calling my friend I calling my sisters and my brothers and to come to eating together and the meal. Ah, very nice. You are fine, sister. Oh, you know what? After that, you see, another Saturday, the Saturday, I not cooking it too much, do. I going to Madonna, say, and the Angry Jacket, say, and the kept singing. Why? Because why? Because I can't to cooking it every Sunday and Saturday. Just I take my money, I bring my friends, say, my sisters, and my uncle and my auntie to go back to the diving the mutuka. You going to eating there because there they are already cooking everything. Just I go to order that. Okay, see ya. I finish that. Good morning, everybody, and bye, everybody. Buying my sisters, buying my brothers, buying my children, because the children I have a big family, though. Bye. See you next time, Ingi. This is the good English dingo. You sitting and the family, you sitting and the friends, you coming to see me in the TV, you watching the TV, and you start to say, Kande, come on. Okay, mama kusekande, wana makiage kitoko. bokota kota na Ariete Kilumbu Shembo TV, bokokuta masolo kitoko, botela maquillage ya sika. Thank you, see everybody, every sister, the brothers, my uncle Coco, and my uchiwane, and the auntie, the friend, bye. It is mama. He say, come on to see me. Chris came to my channel, Ariete Kilumbu Shembo TV. The same in French, s'il vous plaît, come on et abonnez-vous dans mon chaîne Kilumbu, Ariete Kilumbu Shembo TV. In English, they say, come on to see me, to my channel, Ariete Kilumbu Shembo TV. You can see everything is very good to cooking, the ricing, the fishing, the kindingi, the nyama ya kutumbaka, the goat, the kwa. Everything is there, mama. Today Saturday. See you. Bye. Look at me good. Yeah, look at me. Rinasi today. Bye also. Bye.